All right, guys, 12-2, volume of prisms. We're going to take those three-dimensional drawings that we had, and now we're going to fill them with an item. Maybe we fill it with, I think I mentioned in class, fill it up with Jello, or we fill it with water, or with sand. How much would it take? Okay, so the standard equation for volume of a prism is volume equals BH. Now you will notice that looks very similar to the area of the parallelogram, which was BH, but you will see that there is a capital B. And so that's a little bit different. The capital B stands for the area of the base. So we need to actually find the area of the base and then multiply it by the height. By the height, excuse me. So let's go ahead and start with an example, just a very basic rectangular prism. So here's a rectangular prism. I could take the lid off of this and fill it up with something. So we're gonna find out how to get that. Now we're gonna find the volume of the base. So base, I'm gonna kind of color this in. It's actually yellow, but obviously yellow and blue make green. And so I will tell you that I did make a mistake last week. What we do need to do is the base is going to be the one that the book represents in a shaded region. So that will not affect your grades by any means. I will grade them accordingly. So this is the base, and let's say that we have, make sure that I am back on my pen. There we go. Let's say this is 5 feet. This is 12 feet. And let's say this is 10 feet. So if I'm going to find the area of the base, again, because B equals area of the base, okay, area is going to be base times height, and so that's going to be 12 times 5, which gives me 60. All right, so my capital B equals 60. So I'm going to go over here. Volume equals 60 times the height, which in this case is going to be 10. So that's going to give me 600. Now, we've multiplied three things together for volume. So that's going to be 600 feet to the third power, which is called cubed. So the volume equals 600 cubic feet. Okay? So area of the base times the height. Let's look at another shape. All right. So we've got a little a triangular prism here. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's call this 6 centimeters and 7 centimeters. And then let's call this 5 centimeters. So volume is area of the base times the height. So let's go with base on this one. Let's go with the base is going to be right here. Okay, so there's my base. Okay, so that's going to be a triangle with sides of 7 and 6. So to find the area, I'm going to take 1/2 of 7 times 6, which is 1/2 of 42, which gives me 21. And then I'm going to take that 21, and I'm going to multiply it by the height, which is 5. So 21 times 5 gives me 105. And in this case, it's going to be centimeters cubed. 105 centimeters cubed. All right, So again, area of the base times the height. Just a little over 5 minutes. Should be a pretty easy cast. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Talk to you later.